What's the meaning of adulatory? Adulatory. 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 The word adulatory is an adjective that describes behavior which excessively praises or flatters someone. The result of adulatory behavior is often a false sense of accomplishment or superiority for the person being praised, while the person doing the adulating may have ulterior motives or be insincere in their compliments. Adulatory behavior can also create an imbalanced power dynamic in relationships or situations, as the person being praised may come to expect and demand such behavior from others. Overall, adulatory behavior can be seen as manipulative and disingenuous.